2023, new year, new me. You part of that crew too? What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Just want to wish everyone a happy, healthy, wealthy, and prosperous new year. And we kind of off to a late start. We just opened a beautiful brand new facility. Been preoccupied with that. And this is for my 10%ers, and you're going to see this reoccurring theme. So I want to run some numbers by you to kind of inspire you to achieve your goals this 2023. So 50% and 10% are the two most common themes you'll see in deduction, right? 50% of people don't believe they're going to make their fitness goals come to reality by the month of February. They think they're going to be done by February. Only 9% of people actually achieve those fitness goals. 50% of all new businesses don't make it through the first year, and only about 9-10% of them reach the 5-year point. Just under 10% of people are considered financially secure, making over $174,000 a year. You see this 50 and 10% reoccurring theme throughout everything. And then it goes even beyond that to the 5%, 3%, 1%, right? So the whole objective is to separate yourself from that 90 percentile if you want to achieve those goals. It's not just about what you do, it's also about what you don't do. Sometimes deduction is more important than, addition. Subtracting things from your life is the first phase, and then adding certain things to your life is gonna put you in that, that safe space where you can basically insulate yourself from all the people, places, and things that will drag you down. Perfect example, talking about the 50% and the 10%. So I just reached my 13th year of business. I was sitting in the car before I opened my first gym, calling up landlords, very expensive leases. The guy next to me was breaking my balls saying, "You ain't gonna make it. This time next year, I'll bet you my whole paycheck you still work here." So again, that was 13 years ago. Cheap motherfucker never gave me his paycheck, but he did come by to congratulate me, so I appreciate that. Thank you for that. I think he's still working there, actually. But he's a good dude. But, it's nothing against people that want to keep jobs, get drunk on the weekends, whatever. That's cool. If that's your thing, I ain't preaching to you. All I'm saying is, for you guys that want to make it out of the crab bucket, you don't want to be part of the lemmings jumping off the fucking cliff, and you want to provide for your family and, just be a better overall, more productive human being, you're going to want to separate yourself from a lot of people, places, and things. So anyway, hope you make it to that 10%. God bless. I hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, follow, share. Hit me on Instagram at coach.v_. This year is going to be a tremendous year for us. But, DM me some ideas for some videos. We got some great things on the way. Till the next time we up out of here. Out.